Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bickerstaff's Atlanta Used Auto Auction in Loganville, Georgia on a Saturday night. I'm sitting here with the deal maker, AEAA Jefferson, and I'm Big Mac Diesel. We're going to be closed on Memorial Day to honor the fallen, which is Monday, but we're going to have a huge Tuesday dealer and public sale with over 300 plus to select from. It's the end of the month and we're blowing them out. ALM has his 19 new car franchises with over 85 cars, starting the B lane at 4:30, followed by 80 new car dealer trades in the A lane at 6 p.m. Loganville Ford, we got Stonecrest Honda, we got Maxi Price Chevrolet, Malcolm Cunningham Chevrolet at North Point. This is his first run with us. We're excited about it. He's got over 20. Again, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Valley River Chevrolet, Hutchinson Kia of Macon, and many more. Can't name them all. We're on every social media channel there is. Our run list is on AEAA.com and it's on there now. 4 coming on Tuesday. We have a great snack bar with food and drink from Tiki's Island Bubble Tea Cafe. We share our proceeds, Canine Assistance. That's canineassistance.org. Special dogs for special people. Well, it's all about Tuesday. And we've got a huge sale on Tuesday. Some of the finest cars I've ever seen. We collected, we've got the dealers, we've got the vehicles, we've got an array of selection. If you can't find it here on Tuesday, you can't find it anywhere. But we want to make sure that everybody knows we're going to be open on Tuesday. Memorial Day is a special day. We want to honor the fallen and soldiers and people that serve and have served. So we're going to definitely be ready at the same time, same place, Tuesday. We're stocked, locked, ready to go. So that's what it is. We're good. We were a family-owned organization. The deal makers put a great deal of effort in it. He's pushed me to the heights I thought I'd never get to let everybody know what we've got and what kind of organization we are. You know, we've got good longevity here with all our folks, and we're excited about some of the new folks that have joined us. We've got a great guy that helps us on a daily basis, Mike McPhail with Georgia Northside Auto Sales. He's down here tonight with us. He does a great job all the way around the board. He's here. We're open and till close. You know, it's somebody that's seen us grow from the smallest, 20 car run to a 300 car run. 8 years. It's taken us a while to get there, but we learned a lot along the way. So, we're just excited about what we're working on and what's happening and all the different things, twisted things. We really got some really good top-notch dealers now, and the great place for public folks to come. We've got some good reviews from the public. If you don't know what you're doing, you can ask me, you can ask the deal maker, you can ask Mike McPhail, or anybody, and they'll show you what to do. They'll go through the whole process with you, explain it to you. If you want to just come and watch, you can do that. And you got to go through the process and register and all that kind of stuff. But you're welcome to do that and see how it goes. But it won't take long for you to get the hang of it. If you don't know anything mechanically about a vehicle or something, bring your mechanic. Bring somebody that's qualified that can show you about the vehicles, and you can test drive them. The preview starts at 2 p.m. and we cut it off at 4. So we want to make sure that you have plenty of time. You got 2 hours to check the car out. Make sure you get here right at 2. You can come in there and check them. Make sure you put the cars back where you got them from, because it takes longer for us to get the auction ready to go if you park it in the wrong spot. We got to have guys walk around and girls walk around trying to find the cars, and I'll put it back in there. Make sure you roll the windows back up and the sunroof, close the sunroofs. to make sure that if it's raining or, want to make sure they work, but, so that's a little bitty tidbits of things that you need to keep your mind on and watch out for. But it's a pleasant place, you'll be greeted when you come in the door, and we've got 2 young ladies that speak Spanish and English too, fluently. So there won't be a language barrier. We've got a real strong staff in title and tag and registration. We have Jackie Austin, the office manager, and Teresa Williams is her right-hand backup, and they know just about everything about an auction that you can think of. Otto is our general manager, a nice young guy that does a great job, and he's available. He's running around here all the time with his cowboy boots on, and you'll see him. Nice fella. But we're excited about our personnel. We've got some people have been here since the beginning, and some of them have only been here for a year. They bought into the program, and we just keep growing every week. And we try to make suggestions, which we get a lot of those, how we can make it easier for you, how we make it better for you, and make the process simpler for you, so you understand it, and you can focus on what you need to do. So, that's about what it's all about. It's a great little spot down here in Loganville on Highway 78 East. We're in between, right down the road from Maxi Price Chevrolet and Loganville Ford and Colonial GMC Buick, and we're about 20 miles from Athens. So we're right on the Highway 78. Great location. One thing it'd be good for everybody to know, we've always a shortage of parking. And so we have a lower gate down there. We have 2 security people standing there. And it's got a big sign that says parking. The gate's open now. I want them to wave you in, but just drive right in that gate. And you can get out anytime you want to. And there's plenty of parking down there too. You don't have to jam yourself in by the building or by the fence or whatever. Or park on the grass, just pull right in that lot there. You got about 3 acres down there that you can park in. But a lot of you probably don't know that. And, where registration is at the bottom down there, you can check in at the gate. You're going to bring a car. You really need to bring it the day before, but we'll take them. You got to get here by 2 o'clock, because we cut it off at 4. Can't register after 4, and the numbers are going to be taken by then. So the earlier you get the cars here, usually Friday is the best time. If you want to run by noon on Friday, if you want to get a pretty decent number to run. But now with over 300 cars, and you got as many people, there's no bad numbers. They're all good numbers, because we have the cars, we have the people, we have the staff, and we're working on it. We're not there yet, but we're still working hard as we can to get it done. But we want you to come on down here and see what, take a look for yourself. We've got a lot of people that are very knowledgeable, and you can ask anybody. Go to the ring man and talk to the ring man, and they'll explain to you what the process is. You're on the floor ringing the cars and getting bids. If you have an auctioneer up on the block, you're going to say something, somebody representing the cars, you can go up to them, as long as you don't right in the middle of a run or something. But if you have to ask them a question about something, or me, I don't have a problem. I'll stop and answer the question for you and tell you what I know. And then after the sale, if you hadn't picked one out, we have a no sale list. You can go out there and take a look at a car that didn't sell, and maybe you might want to, buy it because you missed it. You didn't get what you wanted, or you didn't know the process, and so you can buy one after the sale. So anyway, we want to let you know that we are Georgia's favorite dealer in public auction. The preview is 2 p.m. for the cars. The B lane starts at 4 p.m. followed by the A lane at 6 p.m. And we're going to be here on Tuesday night, not Monday night, but Tuesday night this week. And we're looking forward to seeing you when you get here. See you then.
Come to the East Side where buyers and sellers agree on one price. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in our blazing A and B lanes every Monday night.